Hey guys, what's up? Say hello to my little friend here. So I finally got my iPhone 12 Pro Max in the mail. I've been waiting on it all day and it's finally arrived. Here's the box it came in. Now let's open this bad boy up, see what we're working with. So here's the box it came in. Looks pretty much half the size of a regular iPhone box. So let's peel off the wrapper. No need to cut, just simply pull. I do like the smaller box. How do you guys feel about Apple removing the charging adapter? So this model that I got comes with 128 gigabytes of storage and it's in the Pacific blue color. So I'll also be doing some camera videos and some videos of the accessories that I got. So if you want to see that kind of stuff, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Now let's take a closer look at this beauty. I just love this color. Let me know, what's your favorite color, guys? Comment down below and let me know. This design just reminds me so much of the iPhone 4 and iPhone 5. Definitely one of my favorite designs. Now I'm coming from the iPhone 10, so never a Max or anything, so it's the biggest phone that I've ever had. But I definitely love this. I haven't upgraded in the past because I just wasn't sold on those previous iPhones, but this, yeah, definitely. So here we go, guys. No charging brick, just your charging cable, USB-C to Lightning, and a little safety sheet. No instructions or anything, because I guess everybody knows how to use an iPhone by now. One sticker and a SIM tool. There's also a neat little cutout here for the cameras in the top of the box, so that's pretty neat. Here's a closer look at the new charging cable. That's your USB-C and the Lightning. So a lot of people wanted straight USB-C all over, but that's Apple for you. Now let's take a closer look at the phone itself and power it on. Nice. So it's definitely gonna take some getting used to for me for a bigger phone. As I said, I'm coming from the iPhone 10, so I've never owned one of the Max versions, so pretty sure it won't take long. But it does feel pretty good so far. Just waiting for this to power up. I'll do a quick activation off screen and get right back. And we're all set. I didn't move any of my files over or anything. I still also need to activate it on my carrier. But here goes the design. Nice stainless steel. Pretty sure there's gonna be a lot of fingerprints, but I don't mind because mine will be in a case. Now let's do a quick comparison to an iPhone XS. I definitely won't be missing that curved design. I hope Apple doesn't go back to it. What do you guys think? Which one do you prefer? The flat edges or the curved design? And it's not too heavy at all. So did you guys do an upgrade? If you did, let me know which iPhone you got in the comments. It feels pretty responsive, but let me guess, which new iPhone doesn't? Here's a closer look at the cameras. Very smooth. So I got a question for you guys. Out of the 4 new iPhones, which one do you prefer? The 12 mini, the 12, the 12 Pro or the 12 Pro Max? Comment down below and let me know. Now let's compare the design to my 2018 iPad Pro. It's just slightly a little thicker, but I'm pretty sure they'll get the iPhones down that thin someday. Quick thing guys, if you're enjoying the video so far, please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. So here's the 3 camera setup: your ultra wide, your telephoto, and your wide angle. This is your flash, your LiDAR sensor, and a microphone. Here we have our power and lock button, some antennas, more antennas, and our microphone, speakers, and our charging port, and some more antennas. And that's your SIM card slot, volume up and down, and your mute switch, and some more antennas. So are you guys a big fan of this new design? I mean, I'm sold on it. That's the biggest reason I upgraded. Now the back feels very good. I think it's worth the upgrade. So like I said guys, I'll be doing a separate video for the accessories that I got. Here's the MagSafe charger. And I got 2 cases. A silicone case and a leather case. And I got the Anker 20-watt charger. That should charge your device super fast. And I got a screen protector, both for the cameras and the screen. So if that's something you want to see, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. So like I said, it feels pretty good. It reminds me a lot of the iPhone 4 and the iPhone 5. Definitely brings back that past feeling. So it's good to have it back. Overall, it's great. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit that like button. Drop a comment down below. Share it with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And hit that notification bell. Thanks guys. And as always, peace out.